calling all industry innovators, government leaders, and visionary entrepreneurs. This September, Mumbai becomes the epicenter of global business at the ICC Global Business Summit, organized by the Indian Chamber of Commerce, hosted by Government of Maharashtra, supported by industrial powerhouses like Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Haryana.
100 plus CEOs and 15 plus countries already confirmed. Direct access to international policymakers, economic officers, ambassadors, and the most influential minds in business. Exclusive B2B sessions, government roundtables, and peer networking, all designed to break boundaries, spark deals, and create partnerships that redefine industries.
ICC Global Business Summit is the platform to forge new alliances, engage directly with policymakers, showcase your brand to a global audience hungry for innovation, speak at sectoral sessions, be seen as a thought leader at the center of conversation shaping the future of India and the world.
Join ICC GBS as delegate and get opportunity of exclusive global B2B networking or become a sponsor. Get media exposure and recognition for your brand. Let the world hear your voice. 18th September 2025, Geo World Convention Center and 19th September Grand Hyatt Mumbai. Secure your place at the world's most valuable business table.
Registration now open. Visit the link in the description or scan the QR to register.